Understanding the phrase, rub one's nose in it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, rub one's nose in it. This phrase can be quite confusing, especially for English language learners. So, let's break it down together and understand what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Rub one's nose in it is a figurative expression used in English to describe a situation where someone is being reminded of their mistakes, failures, or shortcomings in a rather harsh or unkind way. It comes from the old practice of training dogs not to make a mess in the house by literally rubbing their nose in their mess. However, when we use this phrase in conversation, it's all about highlighting someone's mistake rather than a literal action. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing the game, Mike's teammates didn't let it go and kept rubbing his nose in it by mentioning his missed goal. 2. I know I messed up the presentation, but there's no need to rub my nose in it. I already feel bad enough as it is. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey the idea of someone being constantly reminded of their errors in a way that feels excessive or mean. When to use it? This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends or close acquaintances where the tone can be understood as playful or lightly teasing. It's important to be aware of the context and the relationship with the person you're speaking to. When not to use it? Avoid using rub one's nose in it in formal contexts or with people you're not close with, as it could be misunderstood or seen as offensive. It's also not suitable for serious mistakes or sensitive situations where it could add to the person's distress. Rub one's nose in it is a colorful expression that adds flair to our conversations, allowing us to express the concept of dwelling on someone's mistake in a vivid way. Remember, the key to using phrases like this effectively is understanding both their meaning and the context in which they are appropriate. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you feel more comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in our next video.